Hello everyone, today we will solve an interesting math problem. Find the answer and write it in the comments. Okay, let's start. We have two solutions for this question. Let's start with the first solution. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for like. First, addition. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 power 2 equals 4 times 4 equals 16. Finally, multiplication. 8 times 16 equals 128. If you solved the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. PEMDAS. Okay. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operations are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operations are done from left to right. Repeat. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Okay, now let's solve the equation according to the rule. Exponent 4 power 2, 4 times 4 equals 16. Now addition and multiplication. First multiplication. 4 times 16 equals 64. Finally addition. 4 times 64 equals 68. The correct answer will be 68. Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. Solve the question. Write your answer in the comment. Don't forget to follow new videos. See you next video. Bye.